In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of keeping a sketchbook. And a sketchbook isn't just for drawings, it's like a friend. It's there when you need it, holding on to your ideas and dreams. As you fill its pages, you learn. You see how far you've come. It's quiet, but speaks volumes about your journey. It's loyal, always ready for your next thought or scribble. This friend doesn't judge, it encourages growth. With each page, you're not just making art, you're learning about yourself. Your sketchbook travels with you. It's always there, ready to capture every fleeting thought, every burst of inspiration. Whether you're in the heart of a city or the depths of the wilderness, it's a companion that never tires. Artists have carried their sketchbooks across oceans and deserts, through crowded streets and silent forests. In these sketchbooks, they've trapped the essence of far off lands and the rhythm of different lives, quickly sketching moments, each page a story, each line a memory. It's not just about the places they've been, but the journey within themselves. Sketchbooks can always be by your side, as a silent witness to the adventure of your creativity. In your sketchbook, there are no limits. Here you can draw whatever you want without fear of mistakes or criticism. It's a space where the rules of what's right or wrong in art don't apply. This freedom is what makes you grow. With every new line, every experiment, you're not just trying something new, you're discovering more about your own style and capabilities. It's in these pages that you find your voice as an artist. Every attempt, successful or not, teaches you something valuable. This is how you become better. It's a process of exploration, of constant learning and pushing boundaries. Your sketchbook is where you have the courage to explore, to make mistakes, and to evolve. And your sketchbook is a record. It's where your art lives and breathes. Each page, a step in your journey. You see the changes, the growth. It's all there in ink and pencil. The path you've walked with your own hand. This isn't just about sketching, it's about seeing how far you've come, recognizing your progress. It's a personal history written by you. Every page tells more of your story. Your sketchbook is your sanctuary. It's where you go to be alone with your thoughts and feelings. It's pages you can interpret scenes with, plot your future, explore a must-see place, all without making a sound. Drawing in your sketchbook, you find peace. The world's noise fades away, leaving just you and your art. It's therapeutic, this act of creation. As your pencil or pen moves across the page, your worries lighten, your mind clears. It's a form of escape, a way to process and understand the world around you. In this quiet place, your sketchbook, you heal and find strength in the silence. I've always enjoyed handing people my sketchbook when they ask about my art. Instead of pulling out my phone to show them my Instagram account, they get handed a sketchbook. The look in their eyes are priceless. There's a thrill in letting others see your work, in watching their eyes as they trace the lines you've sketched, flipping the pages back and forth, asking questions about your work. Depending on who you're showing your sketchbook to, this is sometimes the first time they've actually looked through an artist's sketchbook. The world is so digital that the simple act of flipping through a sketchbook can be really interesting for people. The sketches you've made, the lines you've drawn, and the pages you've shared all weave together into the larger narrative of your growth as an artist. This narrative is ever evolving, shaped by every new experience and insight you gain. Your sketchbook is overall a testament to where you've been and a hint at where you're going. In the end, your sketchbook isn't just a collection of your work, it's a portrait of you, an artist forever in motion, forever growing. Real quick before we get started, I wanted to share a resource I made called the Sketchbook Manifesto. It's a small PDF guide that's about diving back into sketching. Whether you're just starting out or getting back to the basics, this guide is for you. Inside, you'll find simple, straightforward tips on sketching techniques, and how to start filling your sketchbook with drawings you actually like. Just head over to chriswilsonstudio.com/manifesto, enter your email to download your copy for free. Thanks.